Hi, my name is Amanda Damon, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant in Augusta, Maine. Today, we're going to take a look at the Logos Science 3 5th Edition Science Kit. Science 3 comes with many exciting experiments, explorations, and activities for your student. Your teacher manual, as well as the student text, will give you the instructions for each activity. Let's take a look at one. Here in Lesson 21, we have an investigation into different types of minerals and how hard or soft they are. In your teacher's edition, you will have a copy of your student's textbook page, as well as the objectives, materials, and teacher resources that will be needed for the lesson. Any resources that you may need, you will find in the back of your teacher's edition or on the Homeschool Hub. For this experiment, we see that we need a fingernail, a penny, a steel nail, and then these 4 different types of minerals. Now that we've checked out an experiment, let's take a look inside the box. When you first open your box, you will see your Science Lab Addendum for BJU Press Grade 3 Science. This addendum will list all of your materials, all of your activities, and any slight alterations that may have been made to the activities due to available materials. In the beginning, you will find your table of contents, as well as an appendix to images in the back of the book that can go along with your lessons. You will also have a list of all supplies included in your kit, as well as any supplies that is not included. These materials are usually easily found in your household. Each lesson in your addendum is clearly labeled along with teacher's edition, student textbook, and activity manual corresponding pages. All materials are also listed. Any materials that has an asterisk beside it are materials that are not included in your kit. Lessons will either state that there are no modifications and to proceed according to the directions in the teacher's edition, or there may be some notes for how to modify the lesson. The items in your box will come packaged and clearly labeled. Something I like to remind people is that some of these activities can take about a week or more to complete, such as weather watching. So just keep that in mind as you're reading through your lesson plans to make sure that it will fit in with your schedule. My kids love doing their science experiments, so getting a Logos kit has been a lifesaver for me. I'm not having to search for any oddball materials, and anything else that may not be in the kit I can easily find at home. Well, that's it for the Logos 3 Science Kit. Happy learning!